Guys, well, if you haven't seen this car before, this is a VH41 powered Nissan Laurel. Just recently featured on the Skid Factory, where Al and Woody happily put in a Haltech ECU and wired it all up, which was amazing. But now we've had to get it tuned. So to get it tuned, I've come to see Nick Dalgety here, Central Performance. Nick, awesome man.
It's all gone pretty good so far.
Yeah.
Been really good actually.
We have had some troubles, but they're probably our own that we've created.
That's it.
But they're things that we overcame. So as we were tuning it, Nick got to this point where sometimes it would rev happily and then all of a sudden something would just sputter or whatever it was. But when we upgraded to the Haltech, we could actually see what that issue was, diagnose it, and then create a workaround.
It was a real basic trigger error that we just needed to go through.
Yep.
And make sure that we knew and got it right, you know. The support from the guys at Haltech were great too.
Yeah.
To go through it and just go through the trigger and use the trigger setups and everything else to make sure there was nothing else that we'd done incorrect or set up silly parameters or anything that was incorrect in that respect. So yeah, so we put it all out, checked it all up, and then we ended up going through it and changing it to a sync only once. Remove that home or sync signal after it's sunk once.
Yep.
And that removed all our errors, all our problems, and we're free to get on with the tune.
We had Scotty and Dave on the phone from Australia, and thankfully they had some really good workarounds, which Nick just explained, which was incredible. So a stock engine, aftermarket ECU, what did we produce?
Once we went through it, and considering it's still got stock manifolds, stock intake, and just an air filter and a basic floor system on it, it actually produced really, really good power. We got just on 250 at the wheels. Only thing we're just right on the pinch of the injector side.
Yes, how big are they?
As far as I'm aware, they're 280.
And what other restrictions did you kind of see happening in this engine?
Not major, the only ones we've previously done, the only thing we've seen that major benefit was just the heaters.
Yeah.
The stock manifolds on these.
Okay, so breathing is the issue that we've got here, this one.
Yep, and especially over RPM too. We found on previously on these intakes as well, they sort of fall flat in those, six, you know, so. But no, it was good, it was good. It came up a really, really good result considering what we've done. So no, happy days.
Well, Central Performance, Nick Dalgety, this is the place to be. Thank you very much for watching, and keep you posted with racing on this in the future.